Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to claim airdrop in Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Trust Wallet and then go here. As you can see, you can choose what airdrop you want to choose or to claim. So I'll try the Serene, and after that, then this one is confirmed already, so I'll click on it. So you need to follow the step by step what it says. So let's see if it's gonna allow me to claim. So I click on get started and click on browser wallet and click on Trust Wallet, right? Then I click on connect. As you can see right here, this airdrop is working. So I've connected this airdrop and now it's showing the amount. You can see my maximum Ethereum right now. You need to make sure you have the amount. You need to claim the airdrop. Once you have the amount, you put it in. You put the amount you want. Just put in the amount. Let's say, for example, you want two, which I don't have. Then you click on this and check, and you deposit. You'll be able to eligible for the airdrop. So, like I said, follow the guides, and then for you to be eligible to claim for the airdrop. That's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.